All right. Thanks. Bye.
This call will be monitored and recorded, and your voice may be used for verification. Travel or event is affected by COVID-19. Due to extremely long wait times, we encourage you to go first to the merchant's website or contact them directly. Para español, oprima el asterisco. Please enter your full 16-digit credit card account number. A customer support specialist will assist you in approximately 8 minutes. Please remain on the line for the next available customer support specialist. We appreciate your business and value the opportunity to serve you.
It's not a claim. I actually disputed a charge online last night, and then after I did some more research, I realized it's all set.
Anyway, everything is ready, all set, yes.
Okay, that was it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good day to you. Happy holidays.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Emily. Okay, 2 o'clock would be great.
All right, I'll put you in for 2 o'clock. So we'll see you at the 28th at 2, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. And I'm calling December 28th. Hey Siri, set a reminder.
What do you want to be reminded about?
Dentist appointment, December 28th, 1:30 p.m.
Done.
I have to take iron pills. Apparently I'm slightly anemic. And multivitamins. Hey.
Hey, boo.
trying to make it fit so you could work it, so you could work with it. I'm at my kids' school, my son and daughter, but I'm only picking up my son right now, or actually not at this exact moment, but in about 6 minutes I have to get on this meeting, and then he should be coming out here soon. He's actually in gym class right here and there, and it's wrapping up right now. Here you go, baby.